इकबाल ने भी कहा था ना, अपनी मिल्लत पर क़ियास अक़वाम मग़रिब से न कर, ख़ास है तरकीब में कौम रसूल हाशमी। कहा जाता है कि जी there's a brain drain which is taking place in Pakistan. Oh come on, is it just the brain drain? Is it not the brain gain which has taken place? That we have sent such fantastic ambassadors abroad that you are representing our country in every nook and corner of the world. Is this the brain drain? And if this is the brain drain, then we would like to continue with this brain drain for an indefinite period of time. पाकिस्तान की कहानी अपने बच्चों को जो है आपने जरूर सुनानी है, ताकि वो पाकिस्तान की कहानी ना भूलें. Well, our forefathers, they thought that we are different from the Hindus in every possible aspect of life. Our religion is different, our customs are different, our traditions are different, our thoughts are different, our ambitions are different. That was the foundation of the two-nation theory that was laid there. That we are two nations, we are not one nation. So because of that, our forefathers, they struggled, mounted that incessant struggle to create this country. Our forefathers, they have sacrificed immensely, and we have sacrificed a lot for the creation of this country, and we know how to defend it.